Atlanta girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that.
Okay, so hi guys, hi everyone. I think I doesn't post since like 2024, I guess. So let's go to the unboxing. It's the payday. Okay, so I'm gonna make a cutie unboxing with my cutie leather pyjama. So first of all, I buy the Stanley Cup. It's going viral on TikTok, I guess. So the pink Stanley Cup. So let's get into it. Oh my god, so beautiful! Is the I just take a pink color from this. So beautiful. I love it. Like I'm gonna just put my water in this cup and I will go to the gym with this, I guess. So the second achat, je sais pas. My second order is a Guess bag. Like literally, I love Guess bag, so I buy a huge Guess bag. Oh, maybe just it's here. Like okay, so as you can see, it's from Guess. Okay, I just take a pink color. Like I love pink, so I take a pink color on the Guess bag. So just like that, it's so beautiful. Look at this color, the aesthetics. I love it, and the bag go with the big purse. And this is the purse. So you have 2 pieces for the price of one. So beautiful. Like oh my god, I love it. Like this summer will be fun. I really love the color, the aesthetics, the bag. Et les petits motifs sont trop mignons par contre. J'aime trop. And this. Oh my god, so beautiful. And the last one, I buy my shoes from the gym. And we go to... Actually, I'm living in France, so I buy in Intersport. So I buy these shoes for my gym. So cutie, and this is the end of the video. Like my unboxing make 3 minutes. It's very fast for an unboxing. So bye.